All right, I'm going to show you a trick. This is dried. This is the third or fourth coat. I can't remember. Not necessarily important. Excuse my appearances and my, at-home clothes. Take a regular paper bag, a little one. I've already used this side to see. And this is the trick. Just simply go across it, and this is how you sand. I'm just showing you quickly, but you can use this and you'll get the smoothest finish. Yes, you can use a higher grit, and I do use a higher grit after the first one, like a 220 sand block. This thing. But this is your magical touch at the end. Use this in between each coat. Tip of the day.